The fifth generation of fighter jets represents the pinnacle of modern aerial warfare capabilities, combining stealth, speed, agility, situational awareness, and network-centric warfare into one advanced platform. The United States has been at the forefront of developing and deploying these cutting-edge aircraft, notably with the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, which together define what it means to be a fifth-generation fighter jet. The F-22 Raptor was the first operational fifth-generation fighter in the world, developed by Lockheed Martin and introduced into service with the United States Air Force in 2005. Designed primarily for air superiority missions, the F-22 also has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. What sets it apart is its unmatched stealth, which allows it to evade radar detection, as well as its supercruise ability, the capability to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. The aircraft features thrust vectoring nozzles for superior maneuverability and an advanced avionics suite that allows it to detect and engage threats from long distances. Despite its dominance in the skies, the F-22 program was curtailed due to high costs and a changing strategic environment. Only about 187 units were built, making it a relatively rare and specialized asset. Nevertheless, the F-22 laid the foundation for what a fifth-generation fighter should be and influenced the design of the next step in U.S. airpower, the F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 program is arguably one of the most ambitious and complex military aircraft projects ever undertaken. Also developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 comes in three variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing capabilities, and the F-35C designed for aircraft carrier operations. This multirole fighter was designed with versatility in mind, serving the needs of the Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and allied nations through a common platform. The F-35 is not just a fighter, it is a flying sensor hub. Equipped with an advanced sensor suite and the ability to fuse information from multiple sources, it provides pilots with unprecedented situational awareness. The aircraft's distributed aperture system, or DAS, provides 360-degree coverage, allowing the pilot to detect and track enemy aircraft, missiles, and ground threats without needing to turn the aircraft. This data is displayed on the pilot's helmet visor, effectively letting them see through the airframe and understand the battle space in real time. Stealth remains a core attribute of the F-35. Its shape, coating, and internal weapons bays all contribute to its low observable characteristics, enabling it to operate in contested environments where legacy fighters would be at great risk. Its engine, the Pratt & Whitney F135, offers high thrust and durability, and its electronic warfare capabilities allow it not only to evade but also to jam or deceive enemy radar and sensors. Unlike previous generations of aircraft that rely heavily on physical weapons for survival and attack, the F-35 brings information dominance to the forefront of modern combat. Critics of the F-35 often point to its cost and developmental delays. With a program cost projected in the trillions of dollars over its lifecycle, it represents a significant investment. However, proponents argue that its sheer capabilities, interoperability with allied forces, and potential for continuous software upgrades make it a future-proof platform that will dominate air combat for decades. Both the F-22 and F-35 reflect a paradigm shift in air combat strategy. Rather than relying solely on dogfighting prowess or raw speed, fifth-generation fighters focus on first look, first shot, first kill capability. They are built not only to survive in hostile environments but to shape the battlefield by leveraging stealth and sensor fusion. These aircraft can share data with each other, with command centers, and with other platforms, creating a web of information that enhances overall mission effectiveness. Moreover, the United States' commitment to maintaining air superiority is evident in its ongoing research into sixth-generation fighters, which will build on the foundation laid by the F-22 and F-35. These future platforms are expected to be optionally manned, incorporate artificial intelligence, and have advanced propulsion systems, even greater stealth, and perhaps directed energy weapons. Yet, in the present, the fifth-generation fighters remain the gold standard. The United States has operationalized these aircraft not only for defense but also for deterrence, sending a clear message to adversaries that it maintains technological and strategic air dominance. The F-35, in particular, has been exported to numerous allies, expanding its influence and cementing its role as the backbone of future air operations in NATO and beyond. In conclusion, the U.S. fifth-generation fighter jets are more than just machines. They represent a fusion of engineering, strategic doctrine, and technological foresight. From the unmatched aerial prowess of the F-22 Raptor to the multi-role versatility and digital dominance of the F-35 Lightning II, these aircraft redefine the possibilities of air combat and set the stage for the continued evolution of aerial warfare in the 21st century.